How to change email address on Kucoin. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Kucoin. To change your email address on Kucoin, first of all, you will need to open your Kucoin application on your mobile device and you will need to ensure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and once doing that, you will be taken to this page. From this page here, you will need to find security option. Once you find the security option, you will need to tap on it and now you will be taken to the security section. Here, you will need to find the email option, which is just below the phone option. Here right next to the email, you will be able to see two different options, change and unlink. If you just want to unlink your email address from your account, then you can simply tap on this unlink button and then you will need to go through the process to unlink your email address. But if you want to change your email address to a new one, then you will need to tap on this change option. Soon after tapping on change, you will be presented with this pop-up. Here it says that to ensure security, withdrawals, P2P transactions and rate packets will be temporarily unavailable for 24 hours after changing or unbinding an email. Which means once you change your email, the withdrawals, P2P transactions and other transactions will be temporarily unavailable for 24 hours. It also says that once you unlink this email, you will not be able to use the same email to create a new account for 30 days. And also if you are adding a new email, make sure that email has not been unbound in the past 30 days. If you have already reviewed them, then now tap on this confirm button right here. Now a verification code will be sent in your current email address. For that, you will need to tap on the send button at the right side. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive the code, enter it in this field. Once you have entered the code, now tap on this next button below. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to enter your new email address now. Tap on the email box and here enter your new email address. Make sure to have access to your email address you are entering here. After that, you will need to tap on the send option at the right side of this enter verification code button and now you will receive a verification code in your new email address. Wait for the code and once you receive the code in your new email address, you will need to enter it in this field. After entering the code, now you can tap on this activate button right here and wait for a while. After doing so, now you will be able to change your email address on Kucoin. So by following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on Kucoin. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.